Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm making one of the most famous and loved dishes from Pakistan, chicken karahi, but in my own special style. This version is full of flavor, super aromatic, and one of my favorite comfort foods. So let's get started. I've got my pan on high heat and I'm adding some oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm adding my chicken pieces. I'm going to fry the chicken for 2 to 3 minutes, just until the color changes. We're not fully cooking it yet, just getting that nice golden base. Now that the chicken has changed color, I'm adding a few whole spices, some cloves, some cardamom, 1 cinnamon stick, and some bay leaves. These spices are going to give the chicken karahi that deep, authentic aroma. Next, I'm adding fresh tomatoes. I'm frying the tomatoes with the chicken for a few minutes, so they start to soften. Then I'm adding some green chilies, because karahi without green chilies just isn't karahi. I'm going to cook this for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the tomatoes are soft, I'm going to remove all the tomato skins so the sauce becomes smooth and rich. Now I'm adding chopped onions and cooking them for about 5 minutes until they soften. After that, I'm adding garlic paste and ginger paste. This is where all the magic starts to happen. Now it's time to add the Bangladeshi spices. I'm adding red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric, and some Kashmiri red chili powder, just for that beautiful color. I'm mixing everything well and cooking it for 3 to 5 minutes, so the chicken gets fully coated with the spices. Now, I'm covering the pot and letting it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. This helps the chicken become super soft and absorb all the spices. When the water starts drying up and the oil begins to separate, I'm adding a few split green chilies for the extra heat and flavor. I'm cooking it for another 5 to 10 minutes, and the chicken karahi is ready. You can serve this with boiled rice, naan, roti, or paratha, but personally I really enjoy it with simple boiled rice. The flavor of the chicken soaked in the spices and the softness of the meat is absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious dishes. Try this chicken karahi at home and let me know how it turns out. See you in the next time with another recipe.